Bitcoin price is going down. Whales keep adding more. Huh? What? Huh? What's going on? How? Why? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the 5x5 here in Dubai. I hope you're doing well. Oh boy, wow. Today we're going to be talking about why are the whales buying when clearly prices are going down? Prices will continue to go down. Why would you do that? Why would you buy here? Why would you buy lower? I'll explain. Before that, I will be doing some news on this topic, and also going to be doing some trading. So make sure you head over to bybit.davincij15.com and also, get your ID, because you know what, ID is very important. And let's do some degen or next gen, actually, not degen, next gen tokens. Here we go. We have PayPay. It's a little bit at the lows, but that's okay. PayPay will reverse. And because you know what, I mean, all of these cryptos, right, these meme coins, the really good ones took their time, right? They had to ferment, right? Wait for a little bit. And so this gave you an opportunity to slowly buy in so that when it's time for it to explode, you got that huge opportunity that other people just could not get in. All right, and same with ORC, right? So you have this, we're in this range and people are buying down here and then trying to sell up here, but eventually they're gonna run out of the opportunities to buy down here, and then this is gonna explode higher. So make sure you take advantage of that. Waffles, right? Bounced off the lows, and yeah, looks like it wants to take off again, but let's see how that plays out. It doesn't play out exactly as I was arrow, but I placed in the lines, but you can see that possibly we might be on a breakout here. So this is positive news with waffles, right? As you can see, it broke this one, and yeah, we're gonna see a little bit of a bounce. Hopefully that bounce will turn into more of a traction and see this thing explode higher to the 3 cents. Okay, let's go over the news. This is some of the news that's going on today. You can just click this link and join us in our Telegram group, and also this one as well. It's in the description below. This is what people think it's like to hodl, right? Yeah, you gotta hold. I'm telling you guys, the reason why I'm telling you to hold Bitcoin, right? It's the easiest thing to do and the hardest thing to do, because this is what happens, right? Oof. Price drops and you feel like, oh my God, am I doing the right thing? Am I doing the right thing? And then finally, finish line. Finish line is not a specific price. It's when everybody realizes that they need to have Bitcoin and they use it directly for money. It is slowly happening. If you don't believe that, if you think that's false, well, you will learn the hard way. Learn when it's too late. The relief rally is imminent. Yes, there seems to be like, a reversal here with we'll take a look at this chart and see if this is true, but I think that's true, that there is, prices are going down whilst the indicators are saying, oh no, hold on. Well, the whales are picking up, right? Whales are hoarding Bitcoin. Wallets with 100 plus BTC hit 17-month high. So why is that? When there's a clear indication that, people, the market will take a bath in the future, why would whales buy Bitcoin here? Why? This is a question that you really want to answer, right? Whilst this talks about the numbers and stuff like that, but the question is why? Well, it's simple, right? The only way a whale could buy Bitcoin is if you sell it to them. They can't buy it any other way. And so they have to force the price down, scare you out, so that you could sell. It's simple as that. So if you could handle this turmoil, right? Because this is what they're going to do. They're going to try to force you out. And if you say, no, man, no, I'm just a buyer, not a seller, right? I like buying. Then they have a problem, right? So they can't constantly manipulate you anymore. So that's what the problem is. This is why they're getting so much Bitcoins. And you can see right here, well, again, Wales bought 2,000 Bitcoin in 4 days, now holds almost $500 million in BTC. Look at that. Whew. Yes. Well, meanwhile, Bitcoin could dip to 45K, right? We saw. If you were watching the live show on Mr. M's podcast, we showed you some targets. If we apply the similar logic to the present, however, a 15 to 20% decline from Bitcoin's price at the time of the rate cut could be anticipated. Yes, during the rate cut, let's just say there is no flash event between now and the rate cut. That rate cut will cause prices to go down. Why? That means they're printing more money. Why would the rate cut cause the price to go down? If an asset goes up when they print money, that creates a mental understanding that money printing is bad. They can't have that. It's simple as that. It doesn't matter if price goes up 12 months from now, because nobody will remember the money printing. They'll be like in 12 months, oh, now we're raising interest rates. Right? So yeah, the price is going to go down whilst the price is already too high. Get it? That's how they work. Right? They understand perception is everything. And so they will maintain that perception. Let's close off the news with XRP price at risk as Ripple unlocks 1 billion tokens. Okay, guys, this is also a red herring. As much as I hate XRP, this is nonsense. The price is not at risk. They do this every single month. So not sure why someone writes an article saying that this is going to be a price risk. It is not, period. So yeah, they lock it up again and that's it. All right, so let's do some TA that we can trade in the short term and make some money at bybit.davincij15.com. And let's see. Okay, so right now, of course, although this is the price target, right, for Bitcoin, it doesn't mean we go straight down that way, right? I was showing people, right, on Mr. M's podcast, we do Fibonacci retrace, it points to down here, boom. It does that on Ethereum as well, right? Points to a scary level of 1,500, right? Let's just go to 4 hours so you can see that. Same with the 61.8. These kind of things are very, very bad. You see the same thing with Solana. So you have to be prepared for this eventuality, even though, right? Because the only way that this is going to reverse is if we pass the $68,000 mark. So, of course, this breaks this level of 2, right? Breaks this breakdown level. So let's just pretend if we break, yeah, so that's, you know what, that's true. You know what, it also breaks, if we break above here, it breaks the potential of this collapse down to 43, 44K area. So yeah, we just have to break above the 65K. So that also breaks that possibility on the way back up. So let's assume that that's not going to happen. And we can see that Bitcoin is in a reversal, slight reversal pattern here. So the odds are we're going to reverse only to the 61.8. So we can take a trade here, right? And 61.8, maybe all the way to 78.6, but I wouldn't go there. Taking a trade here, if we were to enter this level, we're going to go to 61.8. 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That's a 3-to-1. So let's go to 2-to-1. And that would be your trade for today. Let's see how this plays out. I'm gonna probably run that trade on myself. And the same, I think, applies for Ethereum. I think Ethereum has a chance to reverse here and see us back up to the 61.8. Yes, that's the right level for Ethereum. So yeah, we can do 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but this is a little bit more risky. All right, there you go. And there's your trades for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Thank you for watching. Right, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.